We are in Yellowstone National Park.
Woohoo! I love the air. Everything is perfect. It's not just dark honey.
Oh.
This is the curved road. Ooh, I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, you're gonna throw up.
Miles.
Miles and miles and miles
and miles driving.
Alright, Claudio's just complaining that she's not seeing anything here. And look what's on the side of the road here.
Oh my god! This is a buffalo! It's a buffalo! Hey! Hi!
There's a buffalo.
Buffalo!
Alright, we're gonna move on to the next spot here.
En este parque es muy normal hacer tráfico porque hay animales al lado de las vías. En este lugar, mira, si los ven. It looks like we made it! Woo! This is gonna be our campground for 5 days. And pretty good. Lo hicimos después de 3 días de viaje. And whew. Dave is cooking the dinner. Whoa, that looks so good.
Hey everybody, what's going on? We're Yellowstone, first meal. Happy anniversary.
Anniversary, this is a good meal. What happened here?
Sharp knife. Accident, huh?
Good that we have everything. My doctor. Hello. Oh, it's kind of cold, but we are gonna check it out. What is today in Yellowstone after my accident last night? But wow, es un poquito frío. Tuve un accidente anoche, pero vamos a ver qué pasa hoy en Yellowstone. There you go. Oh, this is what we like from Yellowstone. Oh, look at
So we
that
got a nice baby elk there.
Milk. How you doing?
Hey,
Good new
we're stopping
Yellowstone.
at the Kepler Cascades. Los Kepler Cascadas.
Las Cascadas. Woohoo. And look at the cascadas.
Alright, here we are at where?
Oldfaithful
Oldfaithful Geyser. So
Geyser.
we're gonna check this out. It's the most popular, most well-known thing here at this whole park.
Oldfaithful Geyser.
Alright, we're gonna walk around this Geyser Basin a little bit. We got a little time till the predicted Old Faithful eruption.
Todo esto es lleno de azufre de volcán. Esos son los termales. This is the hot springs, right? Wow, so great. Este agua es súper clara. It's clear water. Transparent. How many people waiting for this? It's gonna happen soon. Yes! Look at this guy. Oh. Hello.
Now, this is the spasmotic geyser. You can feel the heat and the steam coming to us here.
Yes. This park is full of geysers, so steamers, hot springs. I like the
That would be
bubbles.
cool.
I like this building. Is that hotel?
I think so.
Oh, it's very cool. Wow, this hotel is amazing. Oh. Look at that crack. Ooh, I feel like I'm in a big vein.
This is like a giant log cabin. It's
Yeah.
crazy. Claudia's in the bathroom, missing the Old Faithful eruption. Hey, here she is. Hey, why don't you look out the window?
That's great. Ooh, it's a good one. River.
There's hot water flowing into the river there. That's pretty cool. We're at the fountainpaintpots area, so we're going to check out these geysers and paint pots and other things here.
All right.
No entiendo por qué no gente habla en inglés en esta.
All right, good. What's the name of that
This
one?
is Silex Spring. It's so cool looking.
Amazing.
So if you just want to go in there and swim, but it'd be a really bad idea.
Yes.
Can you hear that? There's boiling mud. It's fountain paint pots.
This is pantano hirviendo. Now, where are we coming? Vamos para las fumarolas. I think those are the terms. That's pretty one. It's boiling there. Está hirviendo el agua, mira. Ay, qué belleza. Where are we?
Hey, we're at the Kepler Geyser right now.
Okay. That's great. Majestic. Thanks God for all this. One of the best things in this park is that you just find things.
You
around.
just look, and suddenly there's a herd of elk laying in the middle of a river.
Yes.
She says it's very cold.
Just for us.
Just
No
for us.
cars. No cars. Solamente nosotros por esta vía.
She can't resist going in the river.
90 degrees outside. Sweating.
I think we're in Wisconsin Dells. Oh no,
No.
we're in West Yellowstone, Montana.
We were close like a 1 hour from here,
Yeah.
so then it's just that. Cool. Estamos fuera del parque. We are out the park.
I'm pretty sure we're being followed by ravens who want to steal our food because they know we're eating at this place, the Taqueria Malverde.
And look at this, it's awesome.
All right. Real Mexican food in West Yellowstone, Montana.
We took a break and now we're gonna eat pozole, Mexican
Pozole.
food. I can
Taqueria Verde. They don't have any normal trash cans around here. They're all bear-proof.
Beautiful. This ram brought us here. We are ramlifers. Because that. Long day.
Long day. We're still going.
We're still going. Look at this steam. You feel the steam.
Feel the steam. It's
We
hot
feel
water
the
going into the
steam.
cold
Se
river.
siente el calor. El vapor es caliente, caliente. Sunset in
Yellowstone at the Excelsior Geyser. This geyser is dormant, but there still sends 4,000 gallons a minute of boiling water into the river.
Okay, from this side I can see the bubbles now. Por ese lado puedo ver ahorita las bombas de ebullición. Nice sunset with this big pool over there and this steamer. Hermoso atardecer.